Good afternoon, students. Today we are here on worksheet 5 of 4th chapter. Let us come to the question number 10. In question number 10, you have to find out the reciprocals of given exponents which are provided to you. So I am going to solve first part. 1 over 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 over 3 to the power minus 3 is there. And first of all, you have to find out, you have to simplify this term, and then whatever the simplification come over there, its reciprocal is to be find out. So let us simplify this. 1 over 2 to the power minus 2 is there, divided by 2 over 3 to the power minus 3 is there. First of all, everywhere you have to change the negative exponents into positive exponents. So 1 over 2 to the power minus 2 is here. In order to change it into the positive exponent, you have to take its reciprocal. 1 over 2 ka reciprocal 2 over 1. Negative exponent change into positive exponent. Similarly here, 2 over 3 ka reciprocal 3 over 2, right? And its negative exponent is changed into positive exponent. Minus 3 se power plus 3 hogi. Then 2 over 1 to the power 2 is written as such. Division sign, divided sign is to be changed into multiplication sign, again by taking the reciprocal. So 3 over 2 ka 2 over 3 reciprocal aa gaya, its power is 3 now. Now we can open these two terms. 2 over 1 to the power 2 means you have to write 2 over 1 2 times, into 2 over 3 to the power 3 is there, you have to write 2 over 3 3 times, and then upon simplification you get 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 to the 16 to the 32 32 over 27, 3 3 are 9 3 are 27. So this is the total simplification of this, whatever this term is given to you. Now you have to get the reciprocal of 32 upon 27. So reciprocal of 32 upon 27 comes out to be 27 over 32. Reciprocal means numerator का denominator और denominator का numerator बना देंगे. Similarly, you can see the second part of your question number 10. So in second part, what do you have to do? 2 over 5 to the power 3 into 5 over 4 to the power 2. Already positive exponents are there. Simply you have to open these exponents and you have to find out the answer. So 2 over 5 to the power 3, write 2 over 5 3 times. Then 5 over 4 to the power 2 is there, write 5 over 4 2 times. And then whatever the common is there between numerator and denominator, you can cut that. So 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, and then 2 1 the 2 and 2 to the 4. 2 is left out there. Then 5 1 the 5 and 5 1 the 5, 5 1 the 5, 5 1 the 5, they got cancelled. You're left with 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So all 1 multiplied together gives you 1. Then 1 5 is left and 1 2 is left. 5 into 2 10. So this is what, this is the reciprocal, this is the simplification of this term. So what is the reciprocal of this term? So reciprocal of 1 over 10 is 10 over 1, and that is 10 over 1 is obviously equal to 10. So these are your part 1 and part 2 of question number 10. Now you come to the question number 11. In this, express with positive exponents. So you are provided with some few expressions and you have to simplify them, and then you have to reduce them with the positive exponents. So 7 to the power 2 into 7 to the power minus 3 is there. Simplification ke baad you can see the bases are same, multiplication is involved, powers are to be added. So 2 plus minus 3, I have written power 2 plus minus 3, 2 plus minus becomes minus, so it become 2 plus minus minus 3 ka 3. So 7 to the power 2 minus 3 becomes 7 to the power minus 1. You can see now 7 over 1 to the power minus 1 means 7 over 1 की power minus 1 upon 7. So negative exponent को change करने के लिए you have to take the reciprocal of 7 over 1. 7 over 1 का reciprocal कितना आ गया? 1 over 7. Similarly, you can see, I'm going to solve fourth part. It is 5 over 8 to the power minus 2 to the power 3. It is given. You can see this can be considered as x to the power m to the power n. That you already know that x to the power m to the power n is equal to x to the power m into n. So x is 5 over 8. 5 over 8 को as such लिखा. Minus 2 into 3 becomes minus 6. So 5 over 8 to the power minus 6 is there. Now it is negative exponent. In order to change negative exponent into positive exponent, take the reciprocal of 5 over 8. It becomes 8 over 5. So it becomes 8 over 5 to the power 6. Similarly, next your fifth part is there. 2 over 5 to the power minus 3 is there, into 2 over 5 to the power 5 is there. Bases are same, multiplication is involved, powers are to be added up. So it comes out to be 2 over 5 to the power 2. It is already with the positive exponent, nothing to do with it. Next, a to the power 3 divided by a to the power 5 into a to the power minus 4. So in order to solve this, first of all we have to apply BOD mass के accordingly we will solve this bracket first. So 8 divided by 8, so bases are same, powers are to be subtracted during multiplication division. So 8 to the power 3 minus 5, it will be first power is 3 में से दूसरी second power 5 उसको minus करेंगे into a to the power minus 4 is written as such. So a to the power 3 minus 5 comes to be a to the power minus 2. 3 में से 5 को minus 5 को divide किया subtract किया, कितना जाएगा a to the power minus 2 into a to the power minus 4. So you can see now both the bases are again same, base are 8. So write it one time and powers are to be added up during multiplication of these numbers. So minus 2 plus minus 4, minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus these two signs will got multiplied. So plus minus क्या आता है minus, minus 2 minus 4 is there, a to the power minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4 क्या आता है a to the power minus 6. Now here it is with negative exponent. This negative exponent can be changed into positive exponent by taking its reciprocal. So मैंने इसको complete करने के लिए 8/1 लिख लिया, 8/1 to the power minus 6. So in order to change it with the positive exponent, 8/1 to the power minus 6 का रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे 8/1 का, क्या बन जाएगा 1/8. नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट गॉट चेंज इनटू पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट्स. So I think all these two questions, the 10th and 11th, they are clear to you. Any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number.